everyone, thank you so much for liking, subscribing and commenting on my videos. It means a lot. Thank you. And I hope that you are taking care of yourself and your family and friends during these times. We can get through this together. So this is the part 3 on how to correct your poor posture. In this I will be talking about your lower back. And after thinking a lot, I decided to divide this video into 2 parts because it will be really long and boring if I just put everything in one single video. So this is the part 1 on how to correct your lower back posture. So here are 5 easy exercises to correct your lower back posture. So your lower back poor posture can be of 2 types. The first one is in which your lower back leans more in the forward direction, and the second is in which your lower back leans more in backward direction. Okay, so the first one in which your lower back moves more in the forward direction, this is abnormal, and the second one in which it moves more in the backward direction. Okay, so in this video we will be discussing about when your lower back moves more in the forward direction. This is known as anterior tilt. I will be showing you exercises to correct this, and in the next part we will be talking about the posterior tilt in which your lower back moves in backward direction. Now, how can you know if you have poor lower back posture? That is, how can you know if your lower back is going excessively forward or is having anterior tilt? To know that, it's really simple. You have to lie flat on a mat or on the firm surface. Do not lie on soft surface or on your bed. So, lie flat on the mat. Put your knees and hips as I have shown here. Do not keep them together. Keep them apart. Now, if your posture is proper, your back will lie straight on the ground. Okay, it will be straight. But if you are having poor posture like this, you will be able to pass your fingers or even your hands sometimes through your back. That means you have anterior tilting or your lower back is going more in the anterior direction. If you have this, these are the exercises for you. You can do all these exercises 2 to 3 times a day. Do not overdo this. And the disclaimer that if you suffer from any medical condition, have pain of unknown cause, spinal compression issues or radiculopathy, do consult your doctor or physiotherapist before starting these exercises. Now, the first exercise is toe touching exercise. Bend from your lower back and touch your toes. I will be inserting a video right here. Okay. Do take care to not overdo this. Do not overstretch your muscles. If you are not able to touch your toes, it's completely fine. You will slowly increase your flexibility. Hold this for 2 to 5 seconds and then release. Now, the second exercise is iliopsoas muscle stretch. Iliopsoas is a muscle which lies in the front portion of your thighs. We are going to stretch this muscle. Do not overstretch this. Hold the stretch for 2 to 5 seconds and then release. Okay, so in order to do this stretch, put your one leg like this in front of your body, the other leg behind. Okay, like this. Now, in order to stretch, you have to lean in the forward direction. So, putting your hands here for support, lean in the forward direction. Make sure you feel stretch in the front section of this leg. Okay, lean as much as you can till the point you start feeling the stretch. Hold for 2 to 5 seconds and then release. Okay, so the third exercise is isometric abdominal muscle contraction. Abdominal muscles are the muscles which lies in the front portion of your abdomen. We are going to strengthen it by contracting it. Hold for 2 to 5 seconds and then release. Do not over contract the muscles. Now watch how to do this. Just lie on a firm surface or a mat. Do not lie on soft surface or bed. Okay, lie on firm surface. Do not keep your legs together, keep them apart, a little bit apart. Now, make fist in both of your hands and put that under your lower back like this. Now, apply pressure on those 2 fists from your abdominal muscles like this. Hold for 2 to 5 seconds and then release. Make sure that you are not over contracting. Also, these muscles should contract while you are applying pressure. Okay, so make fist, put that under your lower back, and now apply pressure. Hold for 2 to 5 seconds and then release. Okay, so the fourth exercise is knee to chest. All you have to do is lie on a firm surface or a mat and bring your knees towards your chest. Okay, so lying on a firm surface or a mat like this. Now bring your knees towards your chest. Bringing your knees towards your chest. Hold for 2 to 5 seconds and then release. Okay. You can also put your legs like this. So bring your knees towards your chest like so. Hold for 2 to 5 seconds and then release. And the fifth and the last exercise is be happy. As I always say, be happy, because whenever you are not happy, your body goes into a wrong posture. So be happy. And yeah, let me know if this video helped you. Also let me know if you have any other suggestions about my upcoming videos. I would love to hear them. And yeah, thank you. Stay safe, take care of yourself, and don't worry too much. Everything will be fine. Thank you.